one of my friend is not going through such a good phase in life, and whenever she speaks she talks about, I don't know where I am going, and I have aged so much and I'm not getting any clarity. I don't know what to do. What is the sign God is giving me, or universe is giving me, and all those things are happening. I just told her, first of all, breathe, and secondly, when you are getting these kind of feelings such with such intensity, it means that you need to begin your spiritual journey. And it does not need to always you know be pushed to get these kind of signs to start your spiritual journey. You can start it anywhere. And nowadays it's so good to see that young people, kids, are getting to incline towards spirituality. That is a great thing to see, because in olden times, when olden means in our ages, etc., people used to think, it's like a myth, that only when you are sad, only when you are hurt, only when you are pain, then you incline towards spirituality, whereas it's completely false. Because what is going to happen is, when things are going fine, you don't understand that your energies are actually pushing you to move forward, to grow in every aspect in life. And there is so much to know that it feels like we don't even know 0.0001% in our life. So always make it a point, however busy you are in your life. It might seem that work is your only life, okay? It might seem that family is your only life. It might seem, oh, I do not get time for myself. See, I have so much of work, I have to make money, I have responsibilities, I have this, I have that. What people do not understand is, they make plans for 2 years, 10 years, 50 years, 100 years, but they forget the next moment they would be gone. So the point is how you are living right now, okay? And it's never too late to begin your spiritual journey, and age does not matter. Irrespective of your age, your experience, your background, anything, start your spiritual journey today. Because once you start, you will see you are a complete different person and you have never met this person before. When someone begins their spiritual journey or is getting inclined towards spiritual journey, it does not mean somebody is just becoming a saint, or some kind of yogi or anything like that. But the way the person conducts his or her life, everything changes, and you will see the difference yourself. So without wasting any time, without putting logic into it. So when you put logic into stuffs where it is not needed, you definitely lose out the magic. So it's never too late to begin your spiritual journey. You will find all the answer. Even when things are happening amazing, maybe that's an excellent time for you to start it, because things are happening excellent. If things are not happening excellent, then too. If nothing is happening, good or bad or nothing, neutral, even then. So there is no time, no condition for this. Hope this helps.